Hello, my name is Miss Yellowhair. I am the 6th grade ELA teacher. I teach English Language Arts here at Salt River Elementary School. A little information about myself. I've been a teacher for 15 years. I have taught within the Salt River School District for 5 years. And I've also taught grades 7 through 12. This is my 2nd year with Salt River Elementary School. And we'll be reading from the Egypt game this year. We are also working on grammar editing. We will be doing a lot of vocabulary, and we will be working from the Reader Writer Journal. So far, we've had a great start to our school year. We have our classroom set up. A little tour of what the classroom looks like. Again, thank you for coming to our digital open house. Currently, we are virtual, so hopefully we'll return back to normal, but this is what our classroom looks like. We have an air purifier there. Ms. Coven and I, we switch classes. The students stay steady here in this classroom. The teachers are the ones that are switching, so we do have a cart that we take back and forth, and we have a lot of materials that we have available for the kids here. We have their partitions so that they are safe from each other. This is how we distribute breakfast in the morning. I go get the breakfast from the cafeteria and then I pass it out for all the students. Here are the students having breakfast in the classroom. Give them time in class to eat, and then afterwards we make sure to thoroughly clean the desks off, and that's the next video you'll see. Today's keyword is stars. Our special schedule is PE, music, library, art, technology. Again, keyword is stars. Thank you again for coming to our virtual open house. I hope that you are able to locate the keyword. Again, that is stars. Please put the sentence together and claim your prize. Again, have a good day, guys. Thank you. And this is my area. Just pictures of my family, pictures of things I like. And this is our Star Wars windows part. Again, you can see kids are socially distanced, 3 feet apart. Our back wall showcasing students' work. And our front board, which usually has the date, any announcements, our learning goals. Again, I do teach math and science.